Okay, well, I'm going to send this to you here. This is what I'm up here against. I'm going to walk down and see how bad the smoke is. I got the house temporarily powered up off the power inverter I hooked up to the alternator. I'm going to walk down the hillside here and see. See all this ash? I mean, it's burning my eyes bad. It's just coming from every direction up here. I heard some big trees fall. I'm going to go see how bad they are. And if I have to, I'll start chainsawing these things and try to get them out of the way. Off the ash. Not be able to run the power generators in the house, but I can't get to them because of the big hole I dug. That is crazy. That fire burning. You can't even breathe. I'll walk outside these trees and out of here if we have to.